Good morning, students. In this video, I will show you some basic things about MS Excel, like how to insert a new column or row, how to use copy and moving options in MS Excel, and inserting new cells in MS Excel. So these three things I will show you in this worksheet. Okay, first open a worksheet, then after that enter some contents like this. As you have already done your practical work, you can do these practicals on that Excel worksheet also. Now first I will show you how to insert a new row or a new column. Okay, so for inserting any new row, column or cell, we will use this option, that is insert in home tab under the cells group. Now after that, suppose you want to insert a new row between row number 3 and row number 4. So we will, in that case, we will select row number 4 and then we will click on this small arrow under the insert option. Then we will click on insert sheet row. As you can see, a new row is inserted between new row number 3 and 4, and here you can see a big gap. Okay, this number 3 is also now below. So these were the steps for inserting a row. You always have to select the next row or column before which you want to insert any new row or column. Like, I want to insert a new column between column E and F. In that case, I will select column number F, which come after the place where we want to insert a new column. First we will select the whole column, then we will click on insert, and then we will select insert sheet column. Okay, so this is how it works. Let's see the new next thing which I am going to told you. Next thing is about inserting a cell or a range of cells in your MS Excel. Suppose आपको यहाँ पे like above number 61, you want to insert a new cell under computer option and above 61. इन दोनों के बीच में आपको एक न्यू सेल इंसर्ट करना है. Then we will again select the cell before which we want to insert a new cell. Like in this case, we will select cell number this 61. Then we will go to the insert option. After that, we will click on insert cells. A new dialog box will appear. Now in this case there are 4 options. अगर आपको 61 के ऊपर न्यू सेल इंसर्ट करना है तो वी विल गो फॉर शिफ्ट सेल डाउन. मीन्स जो 61 है वो एक सेल नीचे मूव हो जाएगा. वी विल चूज दिस ऑप्शन एंड वी विल क्लिक ऑन ओके लाइक दिस. ओके, सपोज आपको अब इस में नंबर 80 के लेफ्ट साइड में एक सेल एंटर करना है. सो वी विल सिलेक्ट number 80 cell, then we will click on insert cells, and in this case we will move the cells right towards right direction. As you can see, the number 80 is moved towards right direction. Okay, so these were the steps by which you can insert a new cell anywhere in your worksheet. You can use this option with a range of cells also. Suppose I want to shift these two cells towards the right direction. So I will select these two cells together, click on insert cells and shift cells right. As you can see, these two cells are moved towards the right direction. Okay, let's undo all our work and make our worksheet like before, like it was before. Okay, now next option which I am going to tell you is copying and moving in MS Excel. It is very simple, like you used to do in MS Word or in presentation. You just need to select the range of cells which you need to copy. Suppose I want to copy all the details of this number 1 student, that is Aditya Singh. I will select all the cells. After that I will click on copy, and you can also use the shortcut key, that is Ctrl+C. I will click on copy, then I will go to the destination. Suppose I want to copy this data in row number 7. I will move my cursor towards the destination, click on the cell from where you want it to be copied, and then click on paste button. Yes, very simple. Just select your cells, click on copy, choose the destination and click on paste. Same steps you will follow for moving your data from one place to another. Suppose I want to move these details in of Priyanshi from another location. I will select this range of cells, click on cut, choose a location where you want to move it, like I want to move it in the row number 9, click on paste. Okay, so these were option for moving. For moving we use cut paste option. Okay, so these were some basic things which I want to tell you. One more thing which I want to tell you is that how can you change the size of any cell. Suppose you want to increase the height of the row, or you want to increase the width of any column. Let's see how to do that. Suppose I want to increase the height of this row. I will simply select this row and then I will drag this line, and by this way you can increase its height. Now let's see how to increase or decrease the width of any column. Select any column, click on this line and drag it. By this way you can increase the width of any column. Same method is used in mobile also. In that case you will use your fingers instead of mouse. So these were some basic things which I want to tell you. It will help you to work in MS Excel. Okay students, goodbye, take care.